It's going off. Weekly test. There they go.
This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York.
The weekly test.
The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day.
Books. That RTC.
Especially the warning alarm will this variability, normally more
Racism.
noticeable at greater distance from the transmitter, can sometimes occur although you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most accurate and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following
It's one time.
Nassau, New York, Oregon, Putnam, Queens,
Idaho.
Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex. Winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test.
Let's go.
From 10 a.m. this morning to noon today. What's up to 1/2 foot of inundation above ground level expected in vulnerable areas?
We got the test.